Welcome to Greenway Ford. My name is Osama and I want to introduce you to the 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak. So this is the Cactus Gray Wildtrak Sasquatch edition of the Bronco. So the Sasquatch package comes with a 35-inch wheel with a 17-inch rim. You get the Wildtrak grain on the side. So you're gonna ask me, how do you lift this part on the back of the Bronco? 2 easy buttons. All you do is pull, lift. So the Wildtrak package comes with the LED lights. So you get the strip and you get the halo for that cool effect. Let's go inside and see some of the cool features this bad boy has. With the 21 Bronco, you get the Sync 4. So you get your Sirius XM, you get your Bluetooth. You could also connect your phone to Apple CarPlay without the wire anymore. So all you have to do is just connect it Bluetooth and everything's projected onto the screen. So you get the dual exhaust AC vents. So if you like your side cold and this person likes their side a little warmer, you could adjust the temperature for each side. So with this model of the Wildtrak, you get 7 modes of GOAT mode. So you got sand, you got mud, you got the slippery, you got the sport, you got the normal, you got the eco. Now you guys have an idea of how the Bronco looks like. Come visit us at Greenway Ford. We are located at 417 in East Colonial. My name is Osama and I'll be happy to help. Have an awesome day.